How to group Pinterest boards. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can group your Pinterest board. To group your Pinterest board efficiently, start by opening your Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to your saved boards by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. These are the list of boards. Here, select the board you want to organize. Within the board, locate and tap on Organize option. Now you will see a list of boards with horizontal lines beside each one. Tap on these lines next to boards you want to group together. After selecting the relevant boards, you will notice a file icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to add a title for the section you are creating. Once you are satisfied, click on Done to finalize the arrangement. Repeat this process for each set of boards you wish to group together. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your Pinterest boards, making it easier to manage and navigate through your content. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.